Alright, I'm gonna take you on a tour of Club Mall here at Sacramento. One of the stores is Unco Foods. It's a big supermarket. Alright, there's nothing. There's actually quite a lot of nothing here. Fix my gadget, there's something. This is sort of open, I think. Restrooms, it's definitely open. More nothing. The worker wrote, this studio is open. Not had any of the artwork yet. No, nothing. Oh, there is actually a farmer's market outside every Saturday morning. Right, okay. I see. It's not gonna be a thing. Nope, hasn't been for years. No luxury or coffee either. Not for you. Exotic burgers, craft beer. Yeah, beer are open. They've been around for a while. That's all good. And used to be an Italian restaurant over there. Crown and W, whatever. Don't call that one before. Alright, so we got Rebounders. Extreme Fun Center. Well, you saw with the arcade. So you saw that, I put that right up there earlier. You got that. Usually luxury cinema. It's not a bad looking environment here. Don't think I've ever had any 3D shows, but it's pretty good. Yummy ice cream and burger. Nothing. Alright. Here is Bobcats and Leisure Sports. Nothing. That's cheap. What? They're still going on. Yes, you can. It's like other fast cheap stores. Where's the discount store basically? Planet Fitness. Yep, they're good. They're definitely on. No pros there. Been around for years actually. Outside, the Fantasy Beauty Spa. Yep, they've been around for quite a while. This workshop actually is open not today, but it's going to get October 4th federally back again. About this shop. This place is definitely open. And this one is occasionally. I think the owner is works at the threading salon there. What? Okay. I don't know why this shouldn't take too long to go and see everything here. And there used to be vending machines as well. Coca-Cola products only, but not anymore. This actually used to be quite a decent remote once. There used to be a Walden Books here a long time ago. Yes, a different kind of cinema, and I believe there is the Orange Julius, I think. No, nothing. Oh, here is the Fossey Barber and Hair Salon. Big screen there. Alterations in Paris. Yeah, they thought shoplifters will be prosecuted. Okay, so don't do that. Don't go shoplifting. More nothing. There used to be bath fitter here. Nope. Some advertisements, B-size, do something. Some kind of film. Oh, here's a mirror here for you to gaze upon. Oh, is that lovely? There used to be a Macy's in here. Not anymore. And there used to be some Coca-Cola vending machines out here. Nope, not anymore. Alright, let's see, there's a wee bit more out there, I think. What? Alright, there might be a few more shops open down the outside. So here is, alright, that's the same hair salon. There's a Golden One Credit Center Union. Golden One Credit Union, that is. Right, there's one of their ATMs. This place is for lights. What? There's the much more prosperous Walmart across the street. Right. There's a popular Hof Brau across there. What? There we go. So really, there's not much at all there. There used to be Go Shocks where the Winco was. That's gone. Gone. And there's the some kind of restaurant over here. Casey Crocken. Right. That used to be a different kind of restaurant. It's gone. So I don't think there's anything else here for us to see. Alright, there used to be a sushi bar here once. Outside with all this Planet Fitness, you can enter from the inside. Right. Yes, here's the Sakura Grill, right. You can go in there. Inside it. Can't get in there from right inside the mall. And here is the rainbow. Get your sneakers on here. And hair plus beauty supply. Alright. So they're still open. Yes, good. And here is a major PCS. Alright, so there's a couple shops at this mall that you can't get into from the inside the mall itself. So bear that in mind, eh? There's a lazy boy across the street. And here's that Winco again. This used to be a Go Shocks, you know. Alright, I think that's it. Hey, what is this side here? An employee-owned company. Okay, well that's that, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. This is Almost Dead Mall. Like, subscribe, stay foxy.